let's unbox it right now. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Sorry, why am I so shocked? Calm down, bro. Okay, first is this one. I don't know what this is. Flower Nose, the Sweetie Bear collection. Rounded blush, brush, strawberry pink. Oh my god, I got the brush. I didn't buy the brush. I think it's a giveaway thingy. I don't know, guys, but let's unbox this one first. Guys, smells kind of weird. Okay, let's unbox the next thing. What is this? I think it's a fridge magnet. I'm not sure. Oh, she's a little sticky. We got a little sticky situation here. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous. That is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, next. I think this is the blush. Oh yeah. Girl. This is too beautiful. Am I glazing? I don't care if I'm glazing. It's Flower Nose, guys. Oh, whole Van Gogh art in there, bro. Yeah, I'm kind of busy right now. Wait. Yeah, I'm kind of busy right now. We're done. That is so tea. Next. Ta-da! Okay. There she is. So beautiful. Oh, wait. We gotta remove this thing. Can you guys? Oh, sorry. Okay. Gorgeous. It's so smooth. Okay, next. Oh, it's the palette. Oh my goodness. It's heavy. It's not cheap plastic. Ooh, that is so pretty. Ooh, it's so satisfying to hold. It's so satisfying to see. It's so satisfying to open and close. It's so satisfying. I love being a girl. Ah! Oh, okay. I think this is the last item in here. Wait, no. What is this? I don't know what this is. Let's open it up. Oh, it's a cleansing balm? Oh my goodness, it's a cleansing balm. Okay, this is the last item. I don't know what this is. Is this a hand mirror? Oh, it is! Flower Nose Midsummer Fairy Tales Collection Hand Mirror Milky Pink. Oh, gag. Hold on. Girl! Oh my goodness! Open this up. Ta-da! She's so cute. Ooh. Hi guys. First, I'm gonna try this one. You tap it. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, that's gorgeous. It's pretty. Oh. Okay, she's less intense now. This look is not really giving, but the products are 10 out of 10. Thanks for watching. Bye.